Rink with public skating, plus private lessons, hockey leagues, birthday parties, and pro shop. This ice skating rink is in great shape. It has lockers, skate rentals, arcade. They have food like hot dogs and stuff that you can buy for you and your family. Their Groupon specials have great prices to introduce your family to this place. Go check it out. They always have specials in there, such as unlimited ice skating, hot chocolate, and skate rental for a very Pines Ice Arena in Pembroke Pines is just a cool ice rink, not just because of the ice, but also because of the lively atmosphere and fun indoor sport that family and friends can enjoy. During the weekend, they have a couple of times. Make sure you don't come when they're maintaining the place. Check the schedule to avoid disappointments. It happened to me already. If you're going Friday or Saturday night, at 8:30 is pretty busy out there. But hey, there is space for everyone. You just need to be patient. Oh, and I wanted to mention that by 10 p.m., they will do a little ice refreshing that lasts less than 15 minutes. You just get out of the rink and enjoy their huge stroke, making sure the ice is nice and smooth again. And by 10:30, you'll get some snow as well. Check it out, it's amazing. I'm telling you, this is a pretty cool place to go to with your friends and your family, your kids. I hope to see you there. It's one of our favorite things to do as a family. Lots of fun for everyone.